Right. Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah. How are you? How was yesterday class? Did you enjoy yesterday class? So, do you have any questions from last class? Yeah. So, did you understand yesterday class regular expression? In is blank method, we didn't use any regular expression. Uh, in finding the length of the mobile, and in finding the characters or digits available in the mobile, we have written how many logics totally? Three logics. Without using predefined method, we tried. With exceptionaling, we tried. With regular expression, with regular expression 2. With regular expression 1, first we verified are there any characters inside other than digits. Second, mobile number. Two separate messages to print, we have written two conditions. Second method, we have written only one condition to verify both digits and length. If you want to find digits there or not, I have to use the regular expression //d. If you want to find exactly one digit if you there, then you want to return true, then /d. If you want to return true, if at least 1 plus any number plus exactly 1 square bracket 1, exactly 2 flower bracket 2, exactly 10 flower bracket 10. So /d 1 /d both are equal, one digit. Okay, /d plus is more than 1. Okay, no, exactly 2. Then you have to use /d flower bracket 2. Or if you want more number to specify, we have to write 10. Hope you remember this match method execution flow. And yesterday we are reading displaying message by using Java 25 style io.readline of enter your mobile number. Okay. First message is displayed and then reading data and then return the data. So this is a Python style of reading data from the keyboard. Okay. Yeah, means unlimited. Minimum one, more than one, any number. Yeah, /d plus means minimum one, more than one, any number, your wish. So can I expect everyone got clarity on length method? Finding the mobile number valid or not? Okay. I want to use ChatGPT. Okay. Is there any another logic developed by ChatGPT? Let us try to check. ChatGPT. I'm asking ChatGPT. Now AI tools usage also you have to learn. AI tools usage also you must learn. Now I'm typing here mobile number validation program in Java. Okay, what is that? Here is a simple Java program to validate a mobile number using basic rules. The program checks if the number has 10 digits, okay, and starts with 7, 8, 9, contains only digits. Clear? Look at that. You have to mention Java 25. Okay, here, it's okay, man, no problem. Then observe Java program mobile number validation. ChatGPT has written any extra code than us. Let us try to see. Can we use Copilot? Yeah. You can use Copilot or you can use ChatGPT, anything. Okay. Look at here. Java program mobile number validation. Look at here. Is valid mobile number. I am giving number as a string. If this number is valid, returns Boolean. If not, returns true, false. Look at their simple method they are using. What matches? They have also used the simple method match. What they have written? Regular, regular expression for validating Indian mobile numbers. Indian mobile number starts from where? 7 or 8 or 9. Following by following by digits. Any digit. Following by any digit 0 to 9. How many? 9. Why 9? Already 789 has used na. Okay. Understood this one? Then scanner, enter a mobile number. Is mobile number valid? Valid mobile number, else invalid mobile number. Okay. How it works? Number dot matches 789 slash slash D9. First digit must be 7 or 8 or 9, followed by exactly 9 digits. So total length is 10 digits and only valid starts with digits. Sample output. Okay. So shall we try this example also? So that's what, once first you have to write logic by your own. After that, first you have to write logic by your own. After that, you have to take the help of ChatGPT also. Regular expression 3, mobile number. This is a check regular expression 3. What I have to write? Matches. 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys. So here what I written? Square bracket, following by 7, 8, 9, following by plus what I write? Flower bracket 9. Here 9 digits. This is a count. 9 is not the value. It is a count. Flower bracket represents count. Square bracket represent exactly that number. Is it clear? Is it clear? Vijay, can you specify? Flower bracket means count. Flower bracket represent how many count. Square bracket represent exactly that number. Then here length I am removing, deleting this, deleting this, deleting this. Else block return mobile number must have only digits, 10 digits. Okay. Other country mobile numbers how to verify? You have to write based on the country. That is you have to go for what you call resource properties, resource bundle, internationalization program you have to develop based on the country. Okay, that's a little lengthy program. locale concept, resource bundle concept you have to develop. We will try. Don't worry. Tomorrow maybe I can explain because again it will extend one more day. That's the reason. Or a valid number also mentioned. Sorry. Mobile number must have only digits, 10 digits, starts with 7 or 8 or 9. Lengthy error message, okay? Uh, okay, can we write? Otherwise, we'll do one thing. Mobile number, here one slash n, okay? And here one slash n, and here one slash n, okay? Save it and message 3 mobile number. Save it. Control F11. Enter mobile number. I am giving here only 9. Error. Error. Mobile number must have only digits. 10 digits starts with 7 or 8 or 9. Okay. Control F11. Now I am giving 9010454584. My number. Valid mobile number. Again run. 7890533431. How many digits came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Valid number. Okay. If I write this number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, then you will get error. Mobile number starts with 7 or 8 or 9. Okay. Fine. So just you need to master what you call a regular expression or how to work out. So regular expression is very, very important topic, buddy. You have to learn. And next, when you are working with regular expression, Ashish Kumar, why you are smiling here? What happened? Okay. So what is written? Regular expression topic is very important. Before 1.4 version, regular expression if you want to develop, what you require now? Matcher class, pattern class, two classes you have to use. Let me show you. Okay. There is something called regular expression, pattern, pattern class, matcher class. Okay. You have to use this is the package. Pattern class you have to use. So from Java 1.4 after all methods are required, regular expression methods are directly provided in string class. Hence, we no need to use regular expression package. Java.util.regex package we no need to use. Directly, we can write the program directly in string class. Okay, clear? Okay, done. Now, shall I proceed to the next methods? How many methods we completed last class? Checking operation complete. Okay. And in checking operation while working with length, we have used the compare operation called what? Matches. Is it clear, everyone? Shall I proceed next point? Okay. One very interesting point is there. Just recollect what you know about this. What is the difference between double equal to operator and equals method? Are both the same? Double equal to operator, equals method. Are both the same? Think. Everyone give me your answer. What is the difference between double equal to operator and equals method? Please write your message in the comment. Tell me, double equal to operator is used for comparing two objects by using reference. Equals method is used for comparing two objects by using reference or data. Hello, very important. Everybody is thinking in a wrong way. Wrong way they have learned. Equals method is used for comparing objects by using. Everybody say data, data, data. It's not data. Using reference or data. Equals method is actually not belongs to string. It is belongs to java.lang.object class. You know that? There is a super class called object class, root super class of all classes. In this object class, equals method is available. In this object class, equals method is available. Okay. Equals method is available. It compares two objects by using what? Reference. Look, equals method compares two objects by using reference. Now tell me, if you don't like the logic of equals method comparing two objects by using reference, you must override this method in the subclass. Now, in string class, equals method is overridden to compare data. Everyone tell me, if you call equals method by using string object, then compare data. If you call equals method by using our own class example, it compares using data, na? No. If I call equals method by using our object student, does it compare two objects by using reference? Yes, not data. If you override, then only data. If you don't override, then it compares objects by using reference only. Everyone understand? So this point you have to register in your mind to understand collections. After string handling, I want to take a workshop on hash map internals. Everybody okay? Next week or maybe next week after that. Okay, November first week. November first week, I want to take hash map internals workshop. Okay. So it's a most important workshop. Many students are in confusion. I will take that workshop and we will cover some examples. Uh, while working with hash map internals, I am also teaching you string class related one important topic is the one example compulsory asking nowadays. For that, hash map knowledge is required. Okay. Then now look at here. So I want to use double equal to operator and equals method. For that one example, I want you teach. Can you write test 03 underscore equals on equals method one project we will try one logical program, right? Tell me now. Write down. Develop a program to read username and password. Verify whether username is Hari and password is Naresh IT #1. If yes, print message. Welcome to Naresh IT. Else, print wrong username or password. Can you develop this code by your own? Small program only, na? Very interesting point is that you are Java 5 version developer. You no need to write class. Yes or no? You no need to write class. You no need to write method. But when you writing package, might be class is compulsory. Sorry, let us go for as a project follow. Can you write code? 2 minutes time. Just 2 minutes time. Within 2 minutes, you have to complete. Uh, whenever you are writing a program, you should understand one point, guys. What is that? You have to work with the test case first. Okay? Test cases. Test cases means what? Input, output. Okay, tell me, if you pass username capital Hari, but okay, my password is Hari, but I'm passing capital HRA or small HRA, all capital letters or mixed case. You want to compare username with the case without case? You want to compare password with case without case? That point you have to consider, na? Am I right? If you don't consider the case and directly if you write the program, your logic becomes invalid. Tell me everyone, username valida, invalida? Sorry, username, we have to consider case or no need to consider case? We need to consider case or no consider? Don't consider case. Okay? Observe now. This is my mail ID. Okay? Where is Amazon? Amazon.in. Login. Here I am giving my email ID. Java Hari Krishna @gmail.com. Tell me, is it accepted or not accepted? Come on, everyone tell. Accepted or not accepted? Java Hari Krishna @gmail.com. Accepted. Sir, how is it possible, sir? Uppercase to lowercase combination. That's what. Username is not case sensitive. My password? Password is case sensitive. Why? Uppercase, lowercase combination we are asking to pass na? So tell me, when you are developing any program, first you understand the test case. First you bring this one to the real life. In real life, what is happening? Same thing you have to develop. Now, I want you to develop a separate method now or separate class even. What is that? Class validate, login validator. It's always have a good idea to develop separate class and separate method. Login validator. Okay. Boolean login. Okay, Boolean login. Now what I am taking? String, username, string, password. Okay. Then what write? If what I have to check? Username. How many ways we can check username? 3 ways. Double equal to operator, equals ignore case, by using double equal to operator, equals method, equals ignore case method, and matches method. Okay. Matches method for regular expression. Now currently you want to compare with regular expression or text. Text. So go for equals. Equals ignore case and double equal to operator. Double equal to operator used for comparing with reference. I don't want to compare with reference. I want to compare with data. So double equal to operator out. Then equals and equals ignore case method. When to use equals with case. When to use equals ignore case without case. Okay, na? Then now tell me, if username dot equals of what I have to use? Equals equals ignore case. Equals ignore case I have to use because username you don't consider case. Equals ignore case of what should I pass now? My username. Hurry. Okay. You want to compare username and also. So what operator I have to use? Double N. Simple. You speak in English, automatically Java will come. Username and what? Password. Password. Password dot. Which method I have to use? Equals equals ignore case. Here. Equals equals ignore case. Equals method I must use. Equals of which password? NareshIT #1. If yes, what I have to do? return true. Okay. If no, else, return what? False. Am I right? Then in the main method, I should ask, what do I write? String username equal to io dot readline method. Which version we are using? Java 5. Double quote Java 25. Enter username. Okay. Earlier it become 4 lines. Now it become just 2 lines. Username and next one is what? Password. io dot readline enter password. Okay. And then here I write if, which class I have to write? Login validator dot login. It should be static method because object not required. We are working with parameter. When you are working with parameter, it should be static method. Login of username password. Tell me, if username password is right, what message I have to display? Double quotes. Welcome to Naresh IT. Else system.out.println. Double quotes. Invalid. Invalid username or password. Okay, na? Wasna, point wasna. Pankaj, I am coming to that point. Give me 2 minutes. Just I am developing beginner level. It's just a beginner level code. Let me run this code. Control F11. Username what I'm passing. Hurry, mixed case. Password should pass correctly. NIT #1. NIT1 extra case. Control F11. Mixed case hurry and exact case NareshIT #1. Welcome to NareshIT message coming now. Okay. Now control F11. Now I'm giving mix. Okay. Exact case I'm checking hurry. Password mixed different case I am giving. #1. Accepted? No. It leads to invalid username password. Okay. If you write the same code in your interview, interviewer will definitely ask, okay, from which graham are you coming? Array, you are missing a simple points, you are trapped unnecessary. Listen, Ravi, what is the return type of login method? Boolean. Very important point, everyone. What is the return type of login method? Boolean. What is this condition generating? True, false only, na? When this condition generating true, false, why you are writing if you return true, else return false? Come on, think. When this expression itself generating true, false, why I need to write return true, return false, Ravi? This is the big blunder every student beginner level is doing. So this is a wrong code. Why can't I directly write return here? Am I right? What do you say, everyone? Is it correct or not? Whenever you are trying to develop a method whose return type is Boolean, if the expression itself is generating Boolean, you no need to again write if else. That is a beginner mistake. Okay, na? There is a dialogue, no, in one movie. These are all beginner mistakes. Okay, directly you write the expression. Okay, now listen. Next question. First mistake I have corrected. Second mistake. Tell me, read username correct. But when I'm reading my password, it is visible to everyone, no? Naresh IT #1. It's visible. So is it good to make it visible? Uh, that is where I should not use io.readline. Okay, I should use another class called, there is a package import java.io there is a there is a class called what? Console. What is the class name? Console. Java.io.console. This console class contain a special method. First, I have to create console object now. Create console object. Console CNS equal to, in system class we have a method called what? Get console. Sorry, system.console. Method name is system.console. From which version this method is available? This console class available? Java 6 version. From Java 6 version we have a class called console. In this class we have a method. Okay, you have to take this one separately. Print print ln of, I have to print this message, and there is a method call, there is a method call inside what do you call? Okay, we can right. Let me. And I don't want to mix the code. Inside console class, we have a method called readline. CNS dot. What method name? Readline. Okay. And next, encoding, decoding. Why you want, man? Are you passing the data to anyone? Srinath? If you want to pass the data, you have to encode, decode. Here, what you are doing, you are not passing. You are reading from the keyboard. The person who entering data should not be visible. CNS dot. What do you have to do? Read password. There is a method called, look at that, read password. But read password method return type is what? Char array. You should convert to string object. New string of. Okay. Now observe. Control F11. Array. Whenever you are working with console, it will not work in Eclipse. Okay. This console should be whose console? System console. This console is whose console? Eclipse console. If you call system.console, it returns null. If you want to work this console class, compulsory should be command prompt window. What is the rule? Must execute in command prompt window. By taking equal to null, what you do? Nothing, na? Let exception come. Okay. Then here, how to execute this program in console in Eclipse? Anybody know how to work? Open this project folder, select this project folder src, okay, and then open this here, this corner, this window, this monitor button you have to click. That is called terminal. Open terminal. So in the terminal, observe the path is coming clearly. Here you have to follow package notation. Java C hyphen D. Okay, Java C hyphen D not required. Yeah, Java C com slash, okay, Java C com slash nit slash hk slash string logic slash the Java file compile. Now compile successfully. We got error. Okay, it is using set path equal to c colon slash jdk 25 slash bin. Java space Java C, again repeat the code, compile. Now it's compiled successfully. Execute. Tell me how to execute package class. Dot com dot. You know, right? How to execute package class? Look at there. Enter username. Now it's asking enter username. Username I'm giving. Anything your wish, Hari. Password. Okay. 1 minute guess. We compiled the wrong class. Hmm. You know package? Simhadri? Compiling package class, executing package class. Yeah, you can also do from there. But I want to show how to do it from the Eclipse. Enter username. Hari. Enter password. Carefully observe here. I'm entering password. Did I enter a password or not? Did I enter password or not? Everyone. That is the beauty of console. I have entered password. Even cursor also not moving to the next. Stars will not come, dots will not come, cursor will not move while entering. Welcome to NareshIT. Understand? Understand? That is the beauty of console. So console class is used for reading password by hiding characters. The limitation of console, you cannot execute directly from the Eclipse with the control F11. You will get null pointer exception. What is the solution? You must use terminal. Okay, how to open terminal? How to open terminal? Select your project SRC folder. Click on this monitor window. This monitor icon is called what? You entered but not showing the privacy given by cons. Okay. Then now this terminal, when you click, it will open with the path SRC. Okay. Then here you check the version number, what is there? Java C hyphen version. Okay, it is using 21 version. So what to do? Set path equal to c:/jdk25/bin. Then compile java c com/nit/hk/test03 equals dot java file. Compile. Then dot class file created. Execute. How to execute Java program with package syntax? Java space package name dot not slash dot. For JVM we should give slash. For compiler it should be the dot. Enter username. You can give any way your wish. Password. Cursor is keep on blinking even though I am giving the data here. Welcome to NareshIT. So we have learned very interesting new points today. Everyone noticed? First we learn. Once again we have understood. Okay. First we learn today. What are the points we learn, buddy? First we learn one more way of, validating the mobile number, that is with starts digits also we mentioned. 6 version. Okay. How to mention the start digit number. Second, we learn comparison. How can we compare? Three ways. Double equal to operator, equals equals ignore case method. Double equal to operator meant for reference comparison. Equals method for comparing the data with case. Equals ignore case method compare data without case. Very important. Equals method is not belongs to string class. It is belongs to java.lang.object class, super class of all classes. It is overridden in the string class to compare string objects by using data. In string class equals method, comparing objects by using data, it doesn't mean that every class objects compare with the data. Student class objects compare with reference. Employee class objects compare with reference. Except student remaining all class objects compare by using reference. If you want to compare user defined class objects by using data, you must override equals method in the subclass. Okay. Everyone understand? When to use equals, when to use equals ignore case. Without comparing characters case, without worrying about characters case, if you want to compare equals ignore case method. For example, username, if you want to compare equals ignore case. I want to compare strings by using case equals method. For example, password. Okay, then how can we enter the password? Okay, we have understood that. Very important. Whenever you are defining a user defined method whose return type is Boolean, if the expression is generating the Boolean result, directly you write the expression with return keyword. Don't write if else blocks. That is a wrong approach. Extra code you are writing, beginner code. If I write like this, then you'll become what? Experienced. The next point, what you understand, whenever you are passing the password character should not be visible. For that, I want to hide the password characters and read. I should use console class, which is available from Java 6 version. Okay, then how can we create console class object? By using system class factory method console. What is the limitation of console class? It is executed only in command prompt window. If you try to execute in Eclipse console, then it leads to null return, and here it leads to null pointer exception. Okay, na? So these are the points. While we're entering the password, it will not move the cursor to any place. It is blinking there only, your data background entering and holding. And read password may the return type is char array. Read password may the return type is char array. We have to convert it to string and store in the string variable and then pass our login validate method. Okay, that's all about what you call comparing related all operations. Hope you all understand. Do you know sorting algorithms? Sorting. No? There are different types of sorting techniques available. Okay. I want you people go through a chat GPT. Okay. And I want you find out what are the different sorting techniques we have. Okay. Simple. Open chat GPT. We have here chat GPT. And here you can write what the question? You prompt a message. What is that? Different sorting techniques. Different sorting techniques. Okay. Then it will show you ChatGPT, Copilot, Perplexity. All these are GPT models, right? Here you have to learn with the help of ChatGPT. So many points you can learn. Common sorting technique in Java. Here are summary of popular sorting techniques grouped by type. Comparison based sorting algorithms. Comparison based sorting algorithms. These sort elements by comparing them. Do you know what the meaning of comparing? This is my already I have array object. Now I want to sort the objects. Then first element is taking, comparing with second element. If it found smaller, it is leaving here and taking the this element. And now this element is compared with the next element. If this element is smaller, it is moving here and this is coming here. Okay, na? So like this, it's swapping the places. It's swapping the places and keep moving from one location to another location. And finally, we find the complete array is sorted. So this is called sorting means comparison. What are the different sorting techniques we have? bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, heap sort. Okay. And what is the stable sorting technique they are suggesting? Bubble sort and then insertion sort and merge sort. So selection sort and quick sort following by heap sort, they are saying they are not stable. Okay. And then in a bubble sort, repeatedly swap adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order. Selection sort, select the smallest or largest element and puts it in the place. Then insertion sort, build the sorted array one them at a time. Okay. Merge sort, divide and conquer algorithm that divides array into halves. Okay. So tell me, among these sorting techniques, the most important question asking in the interview, which sorting technique? Bubble sort. Everybody asking this is sorting technique. Bubble sort they are asking. Okay. This time complexity, space complexity, all later we will see. Non-comparison based sorting, counting sort, radix sort, bucket sort. Here there is no comparison. Okay. Next, Java code example for bubble sort. For example, you have one array, int array. Int array, I want to sort how they have written code. Okay. I want you please go through your favorite chat GPT and one sort you learn that is called bubble sort you must learn compulsory everyone. Bubble sort technique you learn by your own. And tomorrow I will teach you the same bubble sort technique for string class. Okay, we will try to develop two sorting algorithms. One is bubble sort and selection sort, sorry, insertion sort. Two algorithms we are going to learn in tomorrow class. Bubble sort technique and insertion sort technique. These two techniques we will learn in tomorrow class with a string array. For that, I need to understand one method. What is the method I have to use? Compare to. The next comparison logic method, what? Compare to. Compare to and compare to ignore case. Okay, compare to ignore case. So to understand these two methods, okay, this comparison is called comparing lexicographically. What does that means? Bigger or smaller if you want to find. If you want to find two strings are equal or not, equals ignore case method. If you want to find which string is bigger, which string is smaller, I have to use which method? Compare to. So tomorrow I'm going to teach you about compare to ignore case method and sorting technique we have to learn. Tomorrow class is very interesting and fully focusing on up to now these are may or may not come in the interview, but this one is pakka asking in the interview. Bubble sort and insertion sort, two techniques we are going to learn. Everybody ready for tomorrow class? Interested? Huh? Don't miss tomorrow class. Very, 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 very important class. And please practice today example with console class and experience what you call null pointer exception, experience null pointer exception, and then use console terminal and then compile. So, and you yourself please go through bubble sort and what you call bubble sort technique. Just you see that. Okay. I didn't write any notes. Everything there in the this video. Okay, go to youtube.com, search for HK Naresh IT, you will get video or directly Naresh IT. In Naresh IT channel, go to live. In the live section, you will find yesterday video and today video. Okay, now? Thank you guys. See you all tomorrow at 4 o'clock.